Hello, welcome to Beauty School for Boys. This is my travel kit. It's a big travel kit. It has all the accessories that I need for my cosmetics when I go out. Is cosmetics the right word? I'm not even sure. What I am sure about though is that women are expected to take care of themselves. Men aren't held to the same standards. I'm going to try to hold myself to a higher standard than that. So I'm going to show you what I have, what I travel with when I go overseas.
Looking good, boy.
Ow! I have a little thing here of face soap. You gotta wash your face. You can't go to sleep with dirty, oily face and then get pimples when you wake up in the morning and then wonder what happened.
You gotta wash off that pollen and stuff as well. For real. There's like pollen and chemicals and pollutants in the air.
Number 2, exfoliant. You could use scrub. Some people use scrub. I just use this little pumpy thing that I read online is a good one. Exfoliate.
Ducky, what kind of pumpy thing is it?
2% Baha gel. Baha.
Baha.
I think it might stand for something. It stands for exfoliate.
Just
I'm not
remember-
pretending to be one of them girls at the cosmetics are like, ooh, here's what you gotta do. I just know that I read on the skincare forums what you gotta do, and this is what I'm doing. I'm not a scientist. Number 3, moisturizer. After you exfoliate, you moisturize your face. This isn't those $100 moisturizing creams. I got a big vat of it in the backyard that I could lube up a slip and slide. This is just generic face cream, scentless, no oilies, no avocado essence, just face cream. Put on face cream twice a day. This is my little refillable travel bottle version of it. I obviously can't bring the slip and slide vat full of it with me because that would just be too big. I got a little travel bottle, I just suck it up, put it in here, bring it with me when I go. Next on the list, I can't stress this enough, sunscreen. Wear sunscreen when you go outside. The sun is a deadly laser. It will fuck you up. You have to try to protect yourself. Wear a hat, wear sunglasses, whatever you gotta do, protect yourself from the sun because it will ruin your skin. You might think, oh, you're in your 20s or your 30s or your 40s. Are you thinking long-term here? 70s, 80s, 90s? I got long-term plans to try to stay healthy. Next on the list, antiperspirant. Got it from Australia. Don't even know the name of it. QV Naked. It works really well.
We actually got that sent from fans.
Somebody sent this to us and then we kept it. And well, this is obviously a new bottle since then, but like when our friend went to Australia, we asked her to bring back 6. She brought back 6. Got lots more of these. These are really good ones.
I love that. No, for real.
Martina uses this also.
We share it, but now we have 6 bottles, so we don't have to share.
But you're still using my bottle.
I can't reach for another bottle.
Next on the list, I have my little thing of cologne. Get your own kind of cologne. Don't use Axe body spray. You're not a horny teenager in high school. Try to get something that has your own distinct smell that you want to keep with you for the rest of your life. More importantly, ask your significant other if they like to smell because they're the ones that are going to be smelling you. Martina likes to smell.
Question.
What?
I'm a horny teenage boy and I use Axe body spray.
Stop using the Axe body spray. You know what I got in high school? I kept on going to the Sears in the Bay and getting the free samples and just like milking those as much as you can. And as soon as the bottle got empty, you put in a little bit of water and you try to like shake it up. Not too much water because you don't want to dilute it. Just a couple of drops to shake it up and try to do it. What is like growing up for? And last thing on my list I'm gonna share is my shaving kit. Yes, I have a beard, but I shave because I don't want my beard to go totally unkempt. You gotta keep everything lined up. You gotta shave your head as well. I use a safety razor. You can see I handled it very safely and I almost knocked it over. I'm never gonna buy those Mach 3, Mach 4 cartridges again. These safety razors shave a lot better than any of those Mach cartridges that I used to get. They're significantly cheaper as well. They last longer and they're just cooler to use.
And show them the blades.
These blades. You
Refill
want to
blades.
see the refill blades? Look at these. Derby! And that's it for what I do to take care of myself. Ta-da! Aren't you glad you picked this video? You will not be a smelly, stinky boy anymore.
Hey, thanks for taking care of yourself, Ducky.
Hey, thanks for liking me.
I like you. I liked you before you took care of yourself too, but it's much nicer now that you smell extra good.
Hey, you know what? Since coming to Japan, my BO has significantly gone down.
I know, the two of us barely
The
smell
two of
or
us
sweat. It's really weird.
Don't know what it is about Japanese food. Don't smell as much as I used to. I know your significant other might be like, oh, it's okay if you smell like a beaver's taint. I love you no matter what. But they won't complain if you take a little bit of extra care for yourself. Do it.